Okay, it's going.
What are you doing?
Filming Mikey's skating.
He wants to be
2 days ago, this guy was just shuffling on the ice. Now he's a regular Scott Hamilton. Right?
How many times is this for you? Third time?
Third time. And there goes Laura. Same thing. Another Peggy Fleming. Of course, I'm dating myself with the Peggy Fleming thing. Huh?
I'm done. I'm done.
Oh, you go again.
Oh, there's Stacy. Laura, Auntie Liz is here.
See you later, guys.
Hold on, Jason, will you walk her up and get her food?
Yeah, hold on, Laura, I'll come with you.
You're not going to skate anymore?
See you later.
Whoa. You all right?
That could be a honey hole.
That'll be, no, but funny home videos, I don't know.
Okay.
She fell through the ice, maybe.
Okay. Okay, we're good.
Good job.
Okay. So how do you put it on YouTube?
It's magic.
How do you put it on YouTube?
Laura, hold